Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to our classes. Today we are going to do page 21. Let's get down to it. So we have the new edition, of course. So we're doing wow today. Remember, wow is what? Is it a connector or a non-connector? Of course it's a non-connector, right? So wow in the beginning, wow in the middle. We didn't have anything wow at the end, okay? But you're going to get it. So we have wa, o, wa and o. وقع 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 و and و عوى عوى رو عور 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 عور. Okay, then we have ha in the beginning, ha in the middle, ha in the end. Okay, so we have ha za هذا 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 ما هذا ما هزم هزم نا ها نا ها نها نها جا نهجا نهجا لا ألا ألا ها ألها ألها ألها. Remember, is a non-connector, right? So after the non-connector we cannot connect anything, but before it, no. Okay, especially if we had another non-connector before it, right? Like these two non-connectors. Before this non-connector we cannot connect with it because before it is a non-connector. Okay, now let's go here to the last one. We have yeah. Okay, so yeah in the beginning, yeah in the middle, you know how it looks like, you're gonna see how it looks like, and at the end also you'll find how it looks like. Okay, so we have ya na yana yana a yana yana ya na yana yana. Okay, inshallah, let's go to this other one here. Okay, there's a tiny exercise here. Look at the tiny exercise here. It's very easy to do it. Okay, so these words here, they've been mixed. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to make a word like this one. Okay, look at this. We have a ka la. Okay, but they mixed them, right? So this is your homework. Go do them. Look at it. Okay, look at this. A ka la akala akala ba la a bala'a bala'a ha ka ma hakama hakama كتب 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 فتح فتح ركع ركع شفع شفع حدث حدث سكت سكت دخل دخل حمل حمل شرح شرح. Inshallah, مع السلامة. See you in the next page. Sorry, the lights went off, but we can all see, right? مع السلامة. Thank you for watching. See you in the next page.